In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to scale in Affinity, simply click on your image inside of your project here. Now, if I want to scale this and make this larger to fit the whole page, I can move it around to say the center. And now I can drag out the corners here like so. So drag that corner, and then the bottom, then the top. So then I've scaled this image to fit inside of that page. Or if you want to scale it to the left hand side, we can just drag this out to the left. And likewise, we can do the same on the right hand side. We can scale this out to the right and the bottom and the top like so. And then we can click on the image and move the image around. Now, if you want to go ahead and scale the entire document, we can do that. So click on the document tab up the top and then click onto setup. And then from here, click onto resize. So we can resize the document or canvas or pixel art document. So if I want to scale the document, we've got presets here. So we can go ahead and change the size here. So I want to make that 520. If I say 397, I can. So I could change this like that and then click on resize. As you can see, that has scaled the document.